laging may away. Okay?
Because of money.
Because of money.
Okay.
Tapos, ang intense lang na nagkakaroon na ng sakitan, physical, mga ganun, because of money. So parang, siguro ngayon ko lang to naisip, actually, siguro subconsciously, na-implant sa utak ko yun na, shucks, hindi pwedeng maging ganito kami ng mga kapatid ko, ng mga pinsan ko.
Yes.
Kailangan pag-aralan ko to and I will share as much as I could kung ano man yung natutunan ko at kung paano siya gawin.
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano.
Pero totoo yun just to add, I had that same experience before. Na I'm very close with my cousins. Pero, nangyari dahil nga minsan yung mga finances hindi na pag-uusapan. Tapos let's say, para lang very short, yung parents na nag-aaway-away, since kami mga cousins, hindi vocally nila pinag-uusapan ng pera nila magkakapatid na pass on tuloy sa mga magpipinsan, yung mga anak-anak. So same dun sa na-experience mo, kaya dapat talaga turuan mo ang mga low barkada natin kung paano ba dapat yan sa finance.
Exactly. And I think we're still at the brink of parang shedding that yung tabu na money.
Yes.
Hindi mo pwede pag-usapan yung pera or I mean, it's gonna be uncomfortable eventually. So might as well ngayon pa lang.
Let's normalize it.
Normalize natin.
Diba?
Ikaw para sa in the experience, maybe you can share naggawa mo na for a client of yours na how were you able to stop yung mga bad habits when it comes to money?
Actually, one of the exercises I do with my clients is determining yung habitudes sa tinatawag.
Habitudes.
Okay. Habit plus attitudes about money specifically.
Please expound.
Okay. So, may 6 yun na type. So, may security, planner, ganyan. Isa doon yung being spontaneous. Okay? And
something,
walang right or wrong combination of habitudes, but how can we take advantage of that spontaneity? For example, hindi mo naman mabubura yun. Yun talaga siya, di ba?
Yung
Yun ka na eh.
Kailangan ko makinig dito direct.
Diba? Paano mo na lang siya iti-take advantage?
Okay.
Okay? So, I asked them muna, gusto mo bang bawasan natin yung pagiging spontaneous mo or hindi? Kasi I let them decide. Kasi when you are working with someone, ang pinaka-importante doon yung buy-in. Hindi mo pwedeng ipilit yung kung ayaw naman niya, hindi niya din gagawin, di ba? So, we work around that and doon kami nagpaplano kung anong gagawin.
Sa bagay. Kasi yun yung minsan downside ng karamihan ng mga finance coaches na they're imposing their beliefs and principles.
Yes, oo.
Iba-iba tayo eh.
Correct.
Tapos, pwede yung mag-work a few months, pero babalik ka din eh.
Babalik ka
Because
rin.
it's not-
May relapse pa rin.
Kailangan talaga
It's
sila
not
yung
you.
mag-decide, make the decision.
Big Eyes Production.